In today's video, I'll show you how to create revenue reports in HubSpot with ease. This quick and simple guide will help you track, analyze, and understand your company's financial performance directly from your HubSpot dashboard. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. Click Log In at the top right corner and enter your account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard, the central place where all your tools, data, and analytics are connected. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the Reporting section. Click Reporting, then select Reports from the drop-down menu. This section contains everything you need to manage performance analytics and gain insights into your sales and revenue. Next, click Create Report. A new screen will appear where you can search for templates. In the search bar, type Revenue. HubSpot will display a range of ready-made templates specifically designed for financial tracking. These may include options like revenue by deal stage, close won revenue over time, and revenue by source. Choose a template that fits your business needs. For example, if you want to track income from completed deals, select the close won revenue template. Once you've chosen one, you'll move to the customization screen. Here, you can refine the data, adjust filters, set time ranges, and choose deal properties such as owner, pipeline, region, or industry. Take a moment to preview how your report looks. HubSpot makes it easy to adjust columns, graphs, and charts so you can visualize the data clearly and focus on what matters most for your business decisions. When you're satisfied, click Save. Give your report a name like Monthly Revenue Overview, then choose where to store it. You can even add it to a dashboard so it's visible at a glance whenever you open your HubSpot account. Once saved, HubSpot will automatically refresh your report with real-time data. As new deals close or values change, your report updates instantly, ensuring your insights always stay current and reliable without manual effort. And that's it. You've successfully created a revenue report in HubSpot. This feature is a powerful tool that helps you monitor performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions that drive business growth. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more quick HubSpot and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.